The latest COVID-19 gazetted order greenlights public transportation providers, whether by air, land, or water, to carry the full number of passengers they are licensed to carry. The only requirement is that each passenger must wear a face mask. President of the United Minibus Union, Eon Andrews, does not support this decision and believes it conflicts with the COVID-19 guidelines to be at least 6 feet apart. Andrews stated that the decision will only add to the country's positive COVID-19 cases.
There's no way or no sensible thought whereby something is escalating and you're going back to normal. You have England, you have all these big metropolises realize that this second wave, and they've put some measures in place that is the only way to go. Because when you talk about minibuses and these boat water transport going back to full capacity, you are empowering some of the most indisciplined set of workers.
Andrews continued his plea for the minibuses to transport 2 passengers in a seat. The previous COVID-19 order allowed for 3 passengers to be transported in a seat. Andrews said now some minibuses are even transporting 5 passengers in one seat.
The union has said, and it continues to say, as long as there's COVID-19, otherwise the persons I represent, one has to remember that the commuters, without them, there's no sector. And you cannot have 3 in a seat. There must be a space in between. We have to cut our losses and carry on a little less.
The union is not an enforcement agency and therefore can only advise the service providers to think of the health and safety of its passengers.
Bartica recognizes that it is spiraling. The transportation providers in Bartica decide we are taking 2 in a seat. We are even dividing the workforce that each half of the buses work 3 days and another half today. I mean, these are sane decisions. The union don't have to tell you that.
Andrews further called for the National COVID-19 Task Force to engage the union and other stakeholders before these decisions are made. Reporting for the newsroom, I am Isanella Patwo.